Hey, little Miss Independent, what are you doing?
I'm making syrup for you.
You're making stirrup for me? Is this for a special Mother's Day?
Oh, it needs a little more.
Needs a little more. Wow, that's going to be very chocolatey.
Mommy, can you help me here? I hope I can do this.
Do you need help?
No, I got it.
You sure?
Oh, it needs a little more to it. Not the milk.
Not the milk. Need some more chocolate and less milk? Boy, that is going to be one yummy. What is it?
Stir up.
Stir up?
I say stir up all the time.
Here, I know.
So careful now. Oh. Actually, it needs more. I know it! I can't believe I'm making this myself.
You got it?
Why is it green on the ice cream?
I'm not quite sure.
Ice cream syrup cherry.
Yeah?
Sounds yummy.
Why do I have a feeling there's a disaster in the making? Huh? I'm glad we can share germs.
We're not going to share germs.
We're not going to share germs, are you sure?
It's a little milk.
I can't believe you're making stirrup all by yourself either. I was wondering what you were doing in here. Knew you had to be getting into something.
Let me taste it and see. Oh,
Do you think that's enough? Nope.
Can you grab me a straw?
I will grab you a straw.
Right way?
Yep.
Now straw, please.
A straw, please? All right. You're a strange child. There you go. There you go. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. For me? Why is it for me?
Because
Is it a special occasion? What is it?
it's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day.
Did you make me chocolate milk for Mother's Day? You're so sweet. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. You want some rice over there?
Are you going to serve me? Alrighty. Whoa, that was close to a collision, wasn't it?
Yeah. I almost fell with the rice.
That's not good.
I would have been hurt.
You would have been hurt, I know. There we go. Alright, are you done?
Yeah.
Alright.